First of all, I'd like to say I love my MagSafe charger. I even got an off-brand MagSafe charger made by a company called TOZO, and I have a lot of fun using them, but there's a few issues with them that you should probably know about before you buy one. What's going on, boys? It's your man Rand back again with another dope vid, and in this vid I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like about MagSafe chargers, and why I still use my old lightning cable to this day. There's three main benefits to using the MagSafe charger. The first being the convenience. Typical wireless charging pads force you to sit your phone down and not use it. A MagSafe charger allows you to wirelessly charge your device and use it while it's charging. Pretty dope, right? On top of that, it beats the lightning cord too, because you can move it all around whichever position you want. It can come out of whatever side you want, which makes it really convenient. Going back to those old charging pads, those Qi pads can charge at a max speed of 7.5 watts, which isn't really that fast. The MagSafe charger can charge up to 15 watts, twice the speed of that old school Qi wireless charging pad. And the last reason to use a MagSafe charger is the cool factor. Okay, it looks really cool, and when you slap it on there, you know the sound and animation. It's hot. Okay, you know what's going on. I'm the man. It's your man, Rand. You're probably like, oh, Randy, you just listed all these reasons why a MagSafe charger is so cool. Why would you use a lightning cable? Well, I'll tell you why. Funny you should ask, I'll tell you why. Although a MagSafe charger is undoubtedly cool, all of its cool features can kind of still be replaced by a lightning cable, and this is what I mean. The MagSafe wireless charger still uses a wire, which means you're still stuck next to an outlet when you want to charge it. So if you can overlook the fact that this cord is coming out of the bottom instead of another side like the wireless charger can do, you pretty much have the same thing. Secondly, another reason why people choose MagSafe charging is because of the fast charging, right? 15 watt charging, pretty awesome. But a lightning cable, as long as you have a 20 watt power brick, will do 20 watt fast charging, which is the fastest you can charge an iPhone currently. Unfortunately, you will need a 20 watt brick, and as we all know, the iPhone did not even come with a charging brick. So you will need an Apple 20 watt brick here, or another good option right here is the Anker Nano, upside down. Anker Nano, awesome. Okay, they do the exact same thing, can both charge up to 20 watts. I love them both, I use them both, and this isn't just for the lightning cord. If you want 15 watt fast charging for your MagSafe charger, you need the 20 watt brick. If you want 20 watt charging for the lightning cable, you need the 20 watt brick. So either way, you kind of got to get this. I would recommend the Anker Nano because it is a bit cheaper and it does the same thing, but it's a lot smaller. In addition to a wired charger being faster, wireless charging is a very inefficient way of charging your phone anyway. And what I mean by that is that it would require more power to charge your phone wirelessly than it would to charge your phone at the same rate with a wire. In other words, you have to put in more power to get the same amount of charging speed. So again, both using 20 watt bricks, 20 watt charger can charge with the cord 20 watt speed. But with the MagSafe charger, you need to put in 20 watts and can only charge at a max of 15 watts for a MagSafe charger. This loss in energy results in extra heat. So honestly, anytime I'm simultaneously charging my phone with a MagSafe charger and using it, this thing gets really hot. And when your phone gets hot, it slows down charging to protect itself. So you either have to choose between charging it and letting it go, or charging it at a slower speed because you're using it and it's getting hot. So you don't really truly get all the benefits of being able to charge it and use it at the same time. Oh, and if you have a case on it like most of us do, yeah, it's gonna get hotter. So sad. It's so sad, Apple. And for those reasons, that is why I still use the regular old lightning cable with the new 20 watt charger, because super fast, the fastest you can get. It doesn't get hot at all. I can't complain about it. Guys, the thing I've been waiting for that would really separate MagSafe charging from a lightning cable would be a truly wireless MagSafe charger or wireless magnetic power bank. That would be sick, and that is what I'm waiting for. Apple has not made one, although we heard some rumors that could be coming, who knows. What comes to mind is Anker's PowerCore wireless MagSafe charger. This thing has a 5000 milliamp hour battery life, which should give your phone at least one full charge, but it is pretty big. It doesn't look too cool. The reasons why I don't like it is because it's clunky and it's limited by the device's lack of MagSafe certification, leaving it to charge at slow 5 watt speeds. Yes, that is what I said. 5 watts. Yeah, no, this is not an Anker. This is the old school 5 watt charger that is deathly slow. Ugh. 5 watt speeds. So that means it's slow, it's clunky, it doesn't give you the animation, but it will charge your phone from 0 to 100% most likely, and it's only 40 bucks. It was the first to come out. So I don't think you're gonna get something cheaper than that, and it does its job. So hopefully Apple makes their own true wireless charging bank, because that I would buy and use all the time. Hey guys, let me know in the comments down below any chargers you guys have been using and want me to take a look at. Also, what do you guys think of MagSafe charging? Do you choose that over a regular charging cable? Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Later, boys.